Crypto exchanges are where traders can buy, sell, and convert different cryptocurrencies and NFTs, non-fungible tokens. They are necessary for digital assets to be traded at the scale they are today. Some exchanges offer the most competitive prices or speeds, whereas others provide specialized financial products. Choosing a cryptocurrency exchange is often the first step investors take when exploring the world of digital assets. While there are many ways to exchange cryptocurrencies, but here we'll discuss the best crypto exchanges in the world. Before going further into the topic, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Let's discuss the best trading tools and indicators that help you to understand crypto better. The number one is Coinbase. If you're familiar with crypto, chances are you've already heard of Coinbase. The exchange is one of the largest and most well-known in the US, and the crypto platform does a great job of lowering the barrier to entry for new investors with a straightforward onboarding process that creates ease for users into trading. At the same time, its interface makes navigating the platform and managing crypto a seamless experience. Coinbase also features a comprehensive and accessible variety of learning materials. Users are encouraged to use these resources through the Coinbase Earn program, which teaches how to trade specific cryptocurrencies and rewards users with free crypto. The exchange's security features are worth mentioning as well. Coinbase uses two-factor authentication on all versions of its platform, stores 98% of customers' crypto offline, and has an insurance policy to protect custodial accounts of up to $250,000, in line with per depositor FDIC coverage limits. Such robust measures are why Coinbase is ultimately worth trying, despite its higher fees. Users who enjoy Coinbase but would like more advanced trading and charting features may want to look at the company's other exchange platform, Coinbase Pro. Many crypto exchanges promise low fees as a way to entice traders to join their platform, but then catch you with expensive transfer and withdrawal fees. This is not the case with Bitstamp, which features inexpensive fees across the board. Bitstamp's maker-taker fee schedule, ranging from 0.30% to 0.00% and from 0.40% to 0.03% respectively, is one of the most affordable among all the exchanges currently operating in the US. Moreover, users with a 30-day trading volume of under $1,000 don't have to pay any trading fees at all, a considerable boon for less dedicated traders. Withdrawal fees for individual cryptocurrencies are markedly low, and ACH transfers are free of charge. One of the oldest crypto exchanges in the world, Bitstamp has a long track record of operating securely and transparently. It was the first crypto exchange to receive a payment institution license in the EU and currently holds a BIT license issued by the New York Department of Financial Services, NYDFS. Nonetheless, it's worth mentioning that the company lost over $5 million in a 2015 cyber attack that took several months to go public. Kraken, jack of all trades. Kraken has been around for a while now and is well known and loved by many crypto traders around the world. At first glance, the exchange may not seem to have any standout features. It's a jack of all trades, supporting more than 200 cryptocurrencies across a variety of services, which include spot trading, margin trading, staking, and futures. Look a bit further and you'll realize that Kraken excels at providing arguably the safest digital ecosystem for trading your crypto. The exchange's security measures run the gamut from industry essentials like two-factor authentication and account timeouts to more specialized solutions such as PGP signed and encrypted email and global settings time lock. All of the companies we included in this list employ stringent security measures, but Kraken are remarkable enough that the exchange has never suffered a large-scale hack since it first went online in 2011. This is an honor that very few exchanges of its size can attest to, and has been possible thanks to its variety of information security management systems and user-facing security tools. Binance is a leading lowest-fee crypto exchange. Binance offers a platform for buying, selling, and trading digital assets. With its headquarters in Malta, Binance was founded in 2017 and has since become one of the largest and most popular exchanges in the world. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and numerous altcoins, and is known for the fast processing of trades and a strong commitment to security. In addition to its core exchange services, Binance also offers a suite of other tools and services, such as a fiat to crypto platform and its own token, Binance Coin, BNB, which provides users with discounts on trading fees and other benefits. Binance has an extensive number of trading features and options. However, it is not the most intuitive platform for those who are new to investing. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned investor, expect to go through quite a learning curve before mastering its tools and functions. Binance delivers an extensive range of digital currencies to its users all over the world. However, it is essential to understand that Binance.US, one of the best crypto exchanges for US, specifically tailored for American citizens, offers roughly 150 cryptocurrencies, which is less than the international version. Crypto.com. Crypto.com was established in Hong Kong in 2016 and has since grown to serve over 10 million customers in 90 countries worldwide. With its extensive selection of over 250 cryptocurrencies, the platform caters to a wide range of users, from beginners to advanced traders. Additionally, the exchange features relatively low trading fees. Beyond trading, Crypto.com also provides the best crypto debit card, a decentralized exchange, a standalone crypto wallet, and an NFT marketplace. If you're looking to grow your crypto holdings, you can opt to stake your assets through Crypto.com platform and earn interest of up to 14.5%. While the platform's wide range of features may be overwhelming for some beginner users, it's an excellent choice for active traders or anyone interested in using crypto as a currency. Crypto.com is an ideal pick for those wanting to go all in with the platform because of its numerous advantages and features. For example, having large holdings of CRO, Crypto.com own cryptocurrency, leads to lower trading fees as well as more rewards on Crypto.com Visa cards. KuCoin, best crypto exchange for altcoins. KuCoin is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that was founded in 2017. It is based in Seychelles, but has offices in many other countries around the world, including China, Thailand, and the Philippines. The exchange is known for its user-friendly interface and a wide variety of trading pairs, as well as its strong security features. KuCoin is part of top crypto exchanges, and it stands out in the crypto sphere thanks to its incredibly low trading fees, making it one of the most cost-effective exchanges available. Moreover, KuCoin offers a wide range of cryptocurrency options, from popular coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum to alternative altcoins, all accessible through their intuitive platform. Overall, KuCoin made it to our list because it's a popular choice for cryptocurrency traders looking for a reliable, secure, and user-friendly exchange with low trading fees and a large selection of trading pairs. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out in the world of crypto, KuCoin is definitely worth considering as a platform for your cryptocurrency trading. eToro, best crypto exchange USA and worldwide. On eToro, you'll find a crypto exchange that offers trading opportunities in over 30 distinct cryptocurrencies, as well as an online brokerage platform with a diverse selection of stocks and ETFs. eToro added support for Bitcoin in 2014. This allowed its users to purchase and trade CFDs on Bitcoin. Over time, eToro expanded its offerings to include Ethereum and XRP, as well as other digital assets. In 2018, the company made a significant commitment to the cryptocurrency industry by launching eToro X and a corresponding crypto wallet. This development has since provided users with even more options for buying, selling, and managing digital assets on eToro's platform. eToro offers a social aspect to trading, where users can interact and follow the strategies of other traders. With its active community, it provides a great opportunity for traders who prefer a more collaborative and communicative approach to investing in digital assets. eToro provides around 75 cryptocurrencies for its non-US investors, including many of the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. While the platform's selection of cryptocurrencies is not as extensive as some other exchanges, it still offers a solid choice, covering a range of token types such as smart contract cryptocurrencies, gaming tokens, metaverse tokens, and DeFi tokens. The only notable omission is stablecoins such as Tether, USDT, and USD Coin, USDC. eToro is known to be the best US crypto exchange, providing access to over 25 cryptocurrency options for US investors, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, not all of the top 20 cryptocurrencies. Despite having a smaller range of options compared to pure crypto exchanges, eToro's cryptocurrency selection is still robust when compared to brokerages that offer other assets like equities. If you find this video helpful, thumbs up and share it with your family and friends, because sharing is the best form of motivation. Take care until next time with another new topic. Stay happy, stay iconic. Goodbye till next time. Bye till.